Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Machine. Today we are going to load two wood pellet machines to India. As you can see that those two machines, this one 55 kilowatt, the capacity 500 to 800 kilograms per hour. This one 90 kilowatt, capacity 1 to 1.5 tons per hour. This one 55 kilowatt. This one is a vertical ring die wood pellet machine with a large gear reducer. 440 volts, 55 kilowatt electric motor, and it fits with a 6mm ring die. And as you can see, the electric panel is quite good quality. It's it with the digital ampere watch, and all these press buttons, they are anti dust. And inside this electric panel, we use all WC brand good quality electric components, and also with a soft start control system. And we also set a frequency device for clients. It is better for the feeding screw conveyor or belt conveyor's frequency speed adjusted. And this power machine is a good choice for all kinds of biomass material. It's working steady with the automatic lubricating pump with a dust collector. It can make sure the machine continues 24 hours working, no problem. This machine 90 kilowatt, capacity 1 to 1.5 tons per hour, and inside this machine we fit with 6mm ring die, and this electric control panel also fit with soft start system, and the frequency speed control device. It can control the fitting speed of belt conveyors or screw conveyors. If you have any interest in our power machines, feel free to send inquiry to the team. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye.